Hey, this is 100 Days of Code challenge. Now, today is day three. Day three, we are going to determine is lucky or not based on ticket numbers. The ticket numbers usually consist of an even numbers of digits. A ticket number is considered lucky if the sum of the first half of the digits is equal to the sum of the second half. So we are going to write solutions for this problem to determine is the ticket number is lucky or not. Given a ticket number n and determine if it is lucky or not based on the description given here. So for example, the ticket number n is 1230 and the output should be true. It is lucky because the sum of the half of the digits is equal. The first half is 1 2 and the second half is 30. So when you sum up the two digits together and it gets equal the sum of the half digits, that is lucky. And the second one is not lucky because the sum is different. And we are going to determine this based on that problem. Okay. First, let's find the digits and convert into string because the digits number is integer. We can't possibly divide the integers into two parts, the first half and the second half, because that is integer. But if you convert into a string, that's possible. Okay, then we also divide the length of the digit into two half. I mean, yes, two half. Now we get n is the first half and the second half. And so now we are going to find the first digits for and convert each digit into integer for I in digits, that is the first half up to n, the first half. And the digit 2 is about int I. We convert each integer because we have converted into string. We are going to convert into integer each digit to sum up for I in digit. And the second half is minus n up to end. Now we are going to compare digit 1 and digit 2. If sum of digit, d1 is equal to sum of d2, that returns true. True means is lucky. Else return false. Let's test our code if it is determined correctly or not. Testing is lucky and we pass 1 2 3 0 and let's determine, yeah, it is lucky. And let's determine the second number, that is, and that's false because when you sum up this, it gives 1 plus 7 is 8. When you sum up this, the first half, 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 is 13. 13 is not equal to 8, so that gives not lucky. So this is my solution. You can write your own solution also based on this, and you can also contribute your solution in the Code Signal website. So this problem is from Code Signal, and my solution passed all testing stages correctly without any errors. This is day 3. Thanks for watching.